Convoy 7 is approaching the main gate. All units prepare for unloading sequence.
Keep steady. All clear. Confirmed.
Doctor, factory gates ahead. Unload here. Okay, lift confirmed. Bring it up steady now.
Swinging right to drop zone 3. Clear.
All right, set it down. Easy thud. Move it to the left. Stop.
Hold it there.
All right, back it up now.
We'll need to look at this Benz.
Check that one later.
That one took a hard hit. Move the next truck forward. Pass me the wrench. Hold it steady.
Hold it steady.
This one's ready.
Glass goes here.
All right, got it.
Sector Gamma, clear the chassis now.
Confirmed. Moving to Crusher Bay 3.
Bring it left. Lower it down now.
Okay, easy now. Down.
Hold it there. Watch the left side. Okay, drop it.
Tesla following the Benz, approaching the intake. Clear the line.
Keep the line steady. Make sure the chassis is secured before the next rotation.
We need that silver one off at the next station.
Pressure is good.
Keep the flay clean. Speed is good.
Control, this is Yard 1. Shredder running at capacity. Over.
Keep the belt clear. Yeah. Almost full. Woo! Keep it coming straight. Easy now. All right, hold it right there. That's good.
Convoy is moving smoothly, approaching checkpoint 4.
Solid copy. Keep it steady.
Easy now. Bring it down slow. And hold it there. Clear.
Keep it steady. Pausing.
Keep coming. Easy now. All right, hold it there. Hold it there.
Load complete.
There you go.
Temperature rising rapidly.
Confirmed. Pressure holding steady.
Clear on the flow. Keep it steady. We are good to continue the pour.
Temperature stable.
Clear the platform. Crane is moving to position 4.
Copy that. Moving now.
Cooling is good.
Keep it moving. Looks good.
Roger that. Speed is steady.
Cooling phase starting.
Hold the flow. All right, stopping it now. Temperature stable. Looks good. Go ahead.
We're clear on the west side. Bring in the next load.
Copy that. Moving now.
This road needs adjustment on the far end.
Okay. Okay, I see it. I'll have the crane operator shift it slightly.
Seal it tight. Yeah, got it.
Stack them evenly.
Okay, we are clear to depart. Roger that. Moving out.
Almost at the site.
Yeah, we made good time. Bring it closer. Okay.
Slow down. Hold it.
Mark this bundle here for section 3.
Got it. Red paint for section 3.
Hold it straight. Tie it here.
We need the next bundle of rebar on the southeast corner, second level. Confirm.
All units, maintain speed and spacing. Road clear ahead.
Keep the feet steady. Watch the pressure.
Confirmed. Flow looks good on the belt. Heat rising. Advance.
Check alignment. Keep the speed steady.
Looks good. Send it through.
Clear the area below. We are lifting the next beam. Copy that. Moving now. Watch yourselves up there.
Everything aligned?
Looks solid.
Nothing ever disappears. Everything is born again.
We need the final panel secured right here by 1600.
Roger that. I'll notify the crew.
Watch the swing on that load. Clear on this side. Keep it moving.
Watch the beam coming up on the east side. Secure that section before the next lift.
Looks perfect.
Nothing ever disappears. Everything is born again.
Pour rate is stable at 20 tons per hour.
Maintain temperature.